Welcome to Festival Latino 2018. We are here at the amazing Genoa Park celebrating the diverse Latino cultures.
If you like cumbia, if you like merengue, if you like salsa, you can come in here and that's what you feel, that's what you see.
There's music, dance, art, just about anything and everything that represents the Latino culture.
When it first started, this festival was only a couple hundred people. We can count over hundreds and thousands of people that come not only from Columbus, but from areas all over the state of Ohio.
It is the largest in the Midwest, with the exception of like Chicago.
This festival is successful because of the rich culture of the Latino community.
For me, this festival means family. Every year, it just seems like a big family reunion. Everything from the local artists, the businesses that are here providing us with food, to the visual artists, to the sponsors. It's really an opportunity for us to just come together to celebrate our culture.
A festival like this does take a lot of resources to put on. It's really a year-round event. This isn't just for the Latino community, it's for everybody in Central Ohio and throughout the region.
This is one place where everybody comes together to celebrate our culture, celebrate who we are, but not only celebrate, but give back to the Columbus community and let them know that being Latino, we're proud, but we want you to also feel that enjoyment with us.